Hello viewers, we have developed real-time data processing monitoring system. Here you can see the table, target table where the data will be stored. The table was currently empty now, and now we are going to process data. Select IT department and click on the process button. Here you can see the processing data. 5 rows processed, and 100% shows the progress bar, and the starting time and total elapsed time also shown. Now check the database. Here you can see the data already saved here. So check another department's data to process. Here you can see the progress bar, which is shown at runtime, live data processing information. Here how many rows are processed and when the process start and how many times it took to process the data. Here you can see that also when the data is being processed, you can't click anywhere. That's mean it's totally secure. You can anywhere click. The page is protected except the monitoring window. Now check the second attempt also stored successfully stored the data into the database. So this is our system we have developed. Thank you for watching. Please